Today we're doing a full body workout using dumbbells. Let's get started. So we're gonna do a really short warm up to get ready for our dumbbells. I just want you to walk in place for a moment and I'm gonna tell you what you're gonna need. So we are using a set of dumbbells today. I'm using a set of 10 pounds. Keeping in mind, I've been doing this a while and I've worked up to it. So if you need to go lighter, by all means, go for it. 5 pounds is a great place to start. And I encourage you over time to do this workout at least 2 or 3 times a week and build up to 10 pounds. Because remember, a typical full grocery bag weighs 10 pounds. So it's important that we really work our muscles. It helps with osteoporosis, helps with injury prevention, it helps with all those great things, and it just helps us be functional in life, okay? So have those dumbbells close and we're gonna do a full body workout that's gonna use combination moves today, meaning we're doing arms and legs at the same time. So modify as needed, take breaks as needed, grab your dumbbells and let's start. So we're gonna start with a squat and we're gonna add some arm work to it. I'm already gonna give you some options. You're either gonna have both of your weights, or if that's too heavy, just have one. And I'm gonna show you how to do it with one. So if you have one weight, you're holding it at your chest here. And we're starting with our feet shoulder distance apart, slightly turned out. You're gonna go down into a squat and come up, okay? Down and up. So if you wanna use just one weight, then hold it just like this, right? If you're using 2 weights, you can hold them right here at your shoulders, and we're going down and up. You wanna sit your booty back behind you. So you're trying to get low, and you don't need to get too low. You decide. You're only going as low as you can come back up. So maybe that's a really small motion, and that's completely fine. Okay, and then now, when you come up, I want you to press your arms overhead. And if you're holding one weight, you're doing the exact same thing. You're just pressing it up. But this is where it starts to be optional. You're deciding what works best for you. Maybe you don't add the arms to it. Maybe you just do the arms every other repetition. Okay, but whatever you're doing, I want to really encourage you to start to feel confident and empowered using dumbbells and using weights in your life. It is one of the most important things you can really do for your overall health. Okay. One more. Nice job. Bring the weights down. So you're gonna have one weight in each hand if you don't already. And you're gonna step towards the front of your mat. Legs are hip distance apart. I want you to step the right foot back. You bend up and in. So this is called a reverse lunge. Back, down, up, in. It's actually a little bit easier on your knees, and it's really good, again, for that balance component. So if you're a beginner, you're gonna start right here. Back, down, up, in, okay? Now, if you want to challenge yourself, arms come overhead and you do it right here. You just step straight back into a lunge and back up. So you want to be able to control that position of your upper back, meaning you're not going into like a collapsed position holding the weights. You want a big stance back, big step back, and use your breath. It's okay to get shaky. It's okay to get tired. That's part of work. It's normal. Nice. Come in. Bring the weights down. Give yourself a couple shoulder rolls here. Nice job. All right, we're going to go into a little more for balance for leg strength and arm strength combined. So I am back to hip distance apart with my legs. My palms are facing forward. And you're gonna do a calf raise with a bicep curl. So I'm raising up onto my toes as I bend my elbows. So So I know we have a lot of balance going on here today. And again, that's part of this combination movement. So if this feels like too much, go find some of my beginner dumbbell workouts. They aren't combination movements, so you can just really focus on one thing at a time. It won't be as much balance work, but this is a great place to kind of work to eventually, because this is how our bodies work in real life, right? We're walking and stepping off things and carrying bags or carrying babies and all those things, and mulch and gardening and squatting, all those things at once. So it's good to kind of practice doing them all at the same time. Nice job. Okay, we're gonna go back and do each of those movements again. So we're going right back to our squats. You're gonna decide if you want both weights or if you're just gonna hold one. And we're gonna come down and press the arms up. So nice big exhale to press up. Your weight is a little more back in your heels. 3 more. And 2. Great job, you got it. 3. Nice job. Hands down. We're gonna go back to our reverse lunges. So you can start with your arms down if you want. And remember, you can always bring them up. Legs are hip distance again. And we're stepping back into a lunge and in, back, and in. So your knee does not have to come down to touch when you go back. It actually probably won't, okay? Mine doesn't. So don't feel like that's something you have to do. See if you can go straight back and see if you can get a really big stance. 1 more each side. My arms are getting shaky. So if yours are too, I'm right there with you. Nice job. Bring them down. And we're gonna go to our calf raises. I'll do it from the side here now. Legs hip distance apart. Palms forward. You're gonna go up to your toes as you bicep curl. Feel like your head is going straight up to the ceiling. 3 more. 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Bring it down. You can set those weights down. And we're just gonna do a little cool down here. So start that walking in place again. Bring your arms out to the side. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, let it out. Inhale, be so proud of yourself for doing that workout today. Exhale, arms down. Let's step our feet wide. Bring your right arm up and reach it over to the side. Bring it back down, other side. And again, that's a great workout. I encourage everyone, use weights, use dumbbells 2 to 3 times a week. And that's a great full body workout that you can throw in just a few minutes, a couple times a week. Nice job, both arms up. And if you're looking for something more advanced that gets your heart rate up even more, exhale, arms down. This is a part of a metabolic conditioning workout I have in my unlimited program, and you can go look for that as well. So thanks so much for being here today. I appreciate you, and I'll talk to you soon.